Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the DVR model and firmware so you select compatible settings. This prevents wasted time. Next, note your router's IP, subnet mask, gateway, and a DNS address, because that information tells the DVR how to talk to the internet. Once done, gather a short Ethernet cable, power or PoE hardware, and your admin username/password. Make sure access is ready. Now connect the DVR physically to the LAN port and power it up so it can request an IP address via DHCP. You'll log into the DVR's network menu from its UI or web interface and authenticate. That gives you full control. Decide whether to use DHCP for simplicity or assign a static IP to avoid address changes. For static, enter IP, gateway, and DNS so the DVR resolves and routes correctly. Once applied, configure port forwarding on your router for HTTP, RTSP, or vendor-specific ports to allow remote access. Make sure the DVR's time and NAT traversal options, like UPnP or P2P, match your router's capability. You now verify local video first to ensure cameras and encoding work. Then test remote access using the WAN IP, assign DDNS name or vendor cloud ID so you confirm end-to-end connectivity. If it fails, use ping and port check tools to see if the router blocks traffic and consult DVR logs to identify handshakes or authentication errors. If still blocked, restart the DVR and router, re-enter credentials, update firmware, and recheck port forwarding or UPnP. This single troubleshooting step clears most networking issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.